Have you wondered why so many people, including world-class business owners, are coming together today? The stock market, gold market, or any other investment market has barely grown by a few percent in the past 10 years. On the contrary, the cryptocurrency market has grown by a staggering 6 million %, resulting in the mass public, including world-class financial institutions, high-net-worth individuals, governments, and celebrities pouring in. However, the lack of proper knowledge and understanding often creates a high level of risk rather than consistent profit from the cryptocurrency market. iTechWorld provides multiple state-of-the-art systems to assist each client to make more informed decisions based on individual analysis and preference. 1. iTech Copy Trade System. Enable clients to copy every trade executed by master traders via API so clients can also profit together with these world-renowned traders. 2. iTech Robot Setting System. Enable clients to set different parameters for the trading bot by utilizing individual concepts, indicators, and strategies dependent on different market situations in the spot market. 3. iTech Robot Auto Trade System. Utilizes advanced trading techniques and trailing indicators to automatically execute high-precision trades, maximizing profits for clients. 4. iTech AI System. Harness the potential of advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence to reap consistent, stable, and consistent profits with relatively lower risk for the more risk-averse clients. 1. Harness the potential of advanced machine learning and artificial intelligence to reap stable and consistent profits with relatively low risk for the more risk-averse clients. 2. 5. iTech Referral Plan. Enable clients to build multiple streams of passive income by simply introducing the system, improving their own lifestyle and of those around them. Utilizing iTech's safe and robust system, we cordially invite everyone to join us in our global expansion. All trades are executed via API connection, ensuring the safety of clients' assets. iTechWorld, your path to financial freedom. iTech, the evolution of fintech.